Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you guys have made it to this video. This is my very first YouTube video, so it was a struggle for me to get here. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning, but we're here, so let's just get right into it. I hope you find value. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me. Today, we are going to be talking about small business grants that you want to apply to as soon as possible. I put a lot of information together just to give you like a quick rundown. I'll put the links below and then you can go check it out. So first company we have is Invoice to Go. So we can start with the requirements, and all of this information is on the website, but I just wanted to make everything pretty quick. So for requirements, minority owned, or let's say majority of the business should be minority owned. And they include the LGBTQ community and people with disabilities that you have a business. So I thought that was really good. And then the company should be less than 5 years old, 10 or less employees, and then 1 million or less in annual revenue. And then the amount up to $15,000 they're offering. And then quick pieces of information that I wanted to include. So the entry ends February 28th, 11:59 p.m. And then all you have to do is write a 200-word explanation about your business and how it could benefit your community. So the next one is going to be DoorDash. For DoorDash, they say that you just want to make sure you have a brick and mortar location, 3 or less currently open, 3 million or less per location in the last 12 months, 50 or fewer employees per store, and you must be independently owned, so like no franchise or anything like that. They're offering up to $10,000 per grant, and this one they say on a rolling basis, so you will receive funds no later than March 15th, but it's, as long as it's still open, they're still going to be giving grants. The entry ends January 31st, so that's why you guys do want to apply as soon as possible. And then this one did say for COVID-19 related damages are not eligible. So it needs to be like a natural disaster or something natural that happens. So the examples that they gave were hurricanes, tornadoes, fires, or floods. This is just what their website looks like, just for a quick rundown. And then the next one is Amazon. This one is for Black entrepreneurs only. This one's a little bit different. The amounts are not as high as the other ones, but they do have a lot of great resources. So I think this is really good for Black entrepreneurs. This is for active Amazon seller accounts. And this is even for new. If you're trying to sell on Amazon, this is a great resource for you to have, which I think is really good. And then receive free imaging services up to 50 products to help showcase your products. And then this is just a couple of things that they had for descriptions. $500 credit for startups. So I was saying you could be a brand new seller on Amazon, and operational. So the cost for startups and operational costs for newly launched sellers, and then $400 in sponsored products. Sponsored products and advertising credits to increase exposure. And this is an ongoing program, so there's no end date, which I think is really good. And then, like I mentioned, the free education and mentorship resources, free strategic advisory services for up to 1 year. So this is something on an ongoing basis for people that are looking to get into Amazon. I think this is a really good program. And just so you know what you're looking at, this is what the site is going to look up. And then if you are brand new to Amazon seller, you can sign up right here. And then the last one is going to be for FedEx. And you must have a FedEx business account in good standing. And then every time you have a package sent off with FedEx, you are entered into the grant program. So they're giving between $5,000 to $10,000, and that was like the only, the only information that was really being requested. And then entry ends January 31st, 2022. Make sure you guys go check it out. I do plan to talk a lot about business and credit and real estate. So be sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.